How to fix Helldivers 2 crashing. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this instructional video today, I'll demonstrate how to resolve issues with Helldivers 2 crashing on PC. It's a straightforward process, so be sure to follow along if you're experiencing difficulties running the game. I encountered problems with my AMD GPU and CPU, and it seems many other users did as well. After experimenting with various solutions, I managed to identify and implement the troubleshooting steps that resolve the issue. Firstly, right-click on the Helldivers in Steam, navigate to Manage, and then select Browse Local Files. Once in the game installation folder, locate the B folder and delete the GameGuard folder. GameGuard is the anti-cheat software used, and deleting it can sometimes resolve installation issues, allowing for a fresh install upon the next game launch. Next, find helldivers2.exe, access its properties, and under Compatibility, ensure that you run the program as an administrator. Following these steps, open a web browser and download Visual C++ distributable for Visual Studio 2012 Update 4. While it may seem unnecessary repairing the installation of this software, repairing this installation of the software helped troubleshoot launch issues for me, even though I hadn't previously encountered errors related to it. After repairing the installation, try launching the game on Steam. If issues persist, right-click on the game and go to its properties, select Installed Files and verify the integrity of the game files. This process will reacquire any corrected or accidentally deleted files. As an additional step, consider launching the game through the executable file instead of using the Steam launcher. While this step may not be necessary, I found that using the executable file sometimes resulted in faster, issue-free game launches. Following these steps, the game should now be fully operational. So this is basically on how can you fix the Helldivers 2 crashing. I hope one of these methods proved helpful in resolving your issues with Helldivers 2 crashing. If this video has been beneficial to you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching and good luck with your gaming experience.